All right, a quick update on Gods here. So Gods is down below once again the 618. We're trying to see if this thing's going to hold the market structure to be bullish here. So yeah, if we draw a tiny fib from the low here to the high, we're sitting right on the 786 where we're at right now at 16.6 here. So any lower than 16.6, then that's going to pretty much confirm this market structure is going to end up breaking, because I don't see why or where it would stop before it ended up coming back down to the larger 786 here at 1.3. So any lower than 16 here, then you're going to end up dropping about 21%. So just keep that in mind on Gods here. So it is trying as of right now, even though it is below the 618 on the large fib here, it's trying to hold what we drew last time, this market structure you want to see to be bullish here. So this may end up turning into a wick like all the previous weeks here. So we will have to wait and see. There is 3 days left on it. So this thing could come all the way down, but as long as it doesn't come down here and break through, then we should be good. But I would really just watch that 16 area for that smaller 786 there. Maybe this turns into a wick from here on out, but only time will tell. So let's move this down to where we are today. And then, of course, if we hold that 16.6 level, we need to get back over 17.8 here, almost 18 pennies. That is about a 7% move up. And then, of course, we'll just take it, step by step here. 32% to the 0.5 at 21. And then, of course, the macro 236 to get back over, and the 382 here would be a big price to get back over, which I do not know why there is two there. Let's go ahead and move one of these off of the chart. So let's get that off the chart. So we went to the smaller one to the larger one. Now we're on the large one. So if this is going to be the bottom off of that 786 and you get back over these levels, the larger macro 236 here is 27. So once we get back over 27, that will confirm, at least to me, that this and this market structure was the bottom on Gods here, and we can start moving back up. And of course, we're not bullish on Gods for the macro picture until we get back over 53, over the 382 here. And then once this thing gets over about $1.55, that's when you potentially will have a breakout with the price here. Now, with that being said, let's get into how high this thing can potentially go for a couple of targets here, a couple of profit-taking targets. Let me move this down. I have no idea why it's up there in the middle of nowhere. You can see that if this thing comes up and only does a 0.5 retracement here up to 9 pennies, or 91 pennies rather, that is a 5.5x on your investment. So that 90-cent range is a good solid number. 155 here, where we get into the market structures, that 443 million market cap here. I think I just said market structure, but 443 market cap at the 618 at about $1.55 is going to give you about a 9.5x. And then, of course, the 956 million, just under a billion, is where you're going to get that 20x up to about 335 to just doing a 786 retracement here. So what are your thoughts? Of course, comment down below. And then after you take your profits, you want to let the rest ride for potentially a moonshot. You can see the $8.7 billion market cap to the new high here at the 1272 would take Gods up to $30 and almost 70 cents here for 184x from today on your investment. So what are your thoughts again? None of this is financial advice, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.